Number 5 is Voxelab Aquila X2 3D printer. The Voxelab Aquila X2 3D printer is one of the most exciting and remarkable 3D printers for under $200. Its cutting-edge features and outstanding performance make it a gem in affordable 3D printing. First and foremost, the Aquila X2 boasts lightning-fast heating capabilities. In just 5 minutes, you'll be ready to start printing your wildest creations. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to instant creativity. But that's not all. This printer takes silence to a new level. With printing sounds below a mere 50 decibels, you'll barely even notice it's working its magic. It's the perfect companion for late-night creative sessions without disturbing your peace. Intelligence and smoothness go hand in hand with the Aquila X2. Equipped with a super quiet printing design and adjustable pulleys, every print is a seamless masterpiece. And even if the power unexpectedly goes out, fear not. This intelligent printer will pick up where it left off, ensuring accuracy and avoiding printing mishaps. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printers. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.